Evening, guys. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle. The fourth and last puzzle is a jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic in Dutch. They call it cipher block in Japanese, Suguru. In the additional of the Friday edition. Yeah, Friday, July the 19th, 2024. I've already solved 3 puzzles, the 3-star Sudoku, the 4-star Sudoku, and the binary. It's time now for the Jigsaw Sudoku. Jigsaw Sudoku number 8932. 8932. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 13 printed digits. Could be an easy one, could be a hard one. Last time I had also a 13 printed digits. It took me a lot of time to solve that puzzle. Usually the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one is 13. It's indicated with 4 stars. For 4 stars puzzle, we need 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always one. Only one single box in the middle. Yeah. Let me put the 1 there. Next question, do we have here a dual box? Contains the 1 and the 2. Here dual box, there dual box. Well, I do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes. 1 and a 2. Okay, same for here. Next question, do we have here triple boxes? Contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. No triple boxes here. I can see quadra boxes here. Quadra box there. Quadra box contains the 1, the 2, 3, and the 4. This box can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. And the other numbers could be everywhere. Here also, insufficient information. Why now? Well, actually, this should be a triple box because it contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. We have a 4 there. So 1, 2, and 3. That means a triple box. And when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, the inside box, is always 4 or a 5. So let me put this 4 or a 5. Alright, my next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, this shape. Let me draw the shape here. When you see the shape, this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright, here another one, but rotated. This box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Nope. Then the following shape. How about the Z or the S construction? If you rotate this to the right, you will get the S. If you mirror this, you will get the Z. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box, but also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Alright. Only one Z construction. Then the following shape. How about the T shape? Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 1 or a 2. But we already have 1 here, so it can't be 1 anymore. This box will be a 2. Is connected with that box will be also 2. 1 box left in this dual box for the number 1. Okay. The T shape, but also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. In this case, it's a 1 here. Alright. Only one T shape. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Oh wait. Yeah, no, let me put this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. We have more of these kind of shapes. No, only one. Then the L shape, upside down L shape. When you see the L shape, remember then this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright. We have one shape left. This shape. Let me draw the shape here then. Where you see this kind of shape. Remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. With all the shapes, yes, all the shapes. Maximum 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. With all the shapes in this puzzle. All the shapes, figures, structures or constructions, whatever you name it, that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. Alright. These two boxes can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Well, it's not the solution to place the 2 there. If I place the 2 there, then this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 2. But we already have a 2 there, so not the solution to place the 2 there. The 2 is supposed to be here. This box can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Now we have a double 5. That means that this box cannot be a 5 anymore. If you place a 5 here, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those two boxes. So the only place left of 5 should be here then. Is connected with that box should be also a 5. So 2 numbers left. In this area for numbers 1 and a 3, 1 and a 3, okay. 1 and a 3 is connected with that box should be so 1 and a 3, but we have here a double 1, so it can't be 1 anymore. This box should be a 3 then. Is connected with that box should be so 3. Is also connected with that box should be so 3. 1 box left in this area for number 1. Then 2 numbers left in this area, L-shaped area for numbers 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 1 goes there. Yeah, I need to wait. 1, 2, 3. Okay. These two boxes can be a 3. So 1 box left with a 3 in this area is supposed to be here. So 2 numbers left for the numbers 1 and a 4, 1 and 4. Okay. These 3 boxes. So 1 and 5 can be 5. 1 box left for the 5 in this area is supposed to be here. This box can be 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Alright. Think. This box can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. That means that box cannot be a 4 anymore. If you place a 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those two boxes. So the 4 goes together with the 2 as a pair. So 1 digit left in this quarter box for the number 1. These two boxes, 1 and 1 can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area is supposed to be here. 2 numbers left for the numbers 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. Okay. Well, we have a double 4 there. That means that this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. And this box should be a 5 then. Alright. These 3 boxes, 1 and 5 can be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. Should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely 4. Then, let me see. Well. Well, these 2 boxes can be a 2, so the 2 should be in one of these 3 boxes. That means that box can be a 2. If I place a 2 here, I can fill any 2 in one of these 3 boxes. So this box can be 2, so the 2 goes together with the 1 as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for number 4. Alright. Yeah. This one is not easy. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5. Okay. Well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Yeah. No 4, no 4. 4 could be here. This box can be a 2, so the 2 should be here. 1, 2, 4. So 3 or 5. This box can be 1, can be 2, can be 4, so 2 numbers left. 3 or 5 is connected with that box, so should be a 3 and a 5. This box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there then. Now we have a double 1 there. That means that this box can be 1 and more, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Alright, now we have a double 1 here. That means that these two boxes can be 1. That box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Okay. Yeah. This box can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. That box can be a 1. So 2 numbers left, of 2 boxes left for the 1. Could be here, could be there. Now we have a double 1 there. That means that those 2 boxes can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Okay. It's not helping me here. We need a 2. 2 should be here. Need a 3. 1, 2. 2 should be here. Ay. 1. Well, this box, this box can be 1, can be 4, can be 5. So 2 numbers left. The 2 and the 3 are left. If I place the 2 and the 3 here also 2 and the 3, but we already have a 2 here, so it can be 2 anymore. This should be a 3. Is connected with that box, should be so 3. Okay, so we have 2 numbers here, the 1 and the 2, 1 and the 2. Okay, so the other pair in this area should be the numbers 4 and the 5. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, 5 goes there. Alright. Well, these 2 boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Now we have a double 1 there. That means that this box can be 1 anymore. If I place 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 1 supposed to be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 and a 2, we have a 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Then this box can be a 2. 2 could be here, could be there. Alright, these 2 boxes can be 2. That box can be 2, so 1 box left with 2 in this area. Supposed to be here. 3 and a 5, we have a 3 now, no 3 there. 3 should be here, 5 goes there. This box can be 5, so the 5 goes together with the 1 as a pair, so 1 is left in this area for number 4. 1 and a 5, we have a 1 now, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 5 goes there, finished. 1 and a 4, we have a 1 now, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 4 goes there, finished. This box can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. This box can be 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. Need a 5 here also. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, okay. 1 and a 2. The hot part. 3, 5. This box, I think this box should be a 5, because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5 is connected with that box, should be also 5. This box I've marked with 3 or a 5. We have a 5 here, so this box should be a 3, is connected with that box, should be so 3. Alright. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 5. Alright. Okay. This box cannot be a 2, so the 2 goes together with the 1 as a pair, so 1 is left in this S construction for number 4. 2 numbers left for numbers 1 and a 2, 1 and 2. That means that this box cannot be a 1 or a 2. 1 and 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. So 1 digit left in this quadra box for the number 3. Alright. These two boxes can be a 2, but also those two boxes can be 2. We have a double 2 there. So 1 digit left for the 2 in this area. It's supposed to be here. I've marked those two boxes elevated 2. We have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box will be 2, so 2 numbers left for numbers 3 and a 5. 3 and the 5, okay. I think this box will be a 1 because it can be 2, can be 3. We have a double 3 there. Can be a 4, can be a 5. We have a double 5 there. Yeah, definitely a 1. Now, let me see. I think this box will be a 5 because it can be 1. We have a double 1 there. Can be 2. We have a double 2 there. Can be 3. Can be 4. Yeah, definitely 5. I've marked this box with 4 or a 5. We have a 5 there, so this box should be a 4. These two boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and a 5. 3 and a 5. Okay, this box can be a 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. This box could be 1 or a 2 here, because it can be 3, can be 4, can be 5, yeah, 1 or 2, 1, 2, 3, okay. Here I need to wait. Yeah, 1 and a 2. How about here? This box can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. That means that those two boxes can be a 2. We have a double 2 there. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Now we have a double 2 there. That means that this box can be a 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 1. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be here. Mark those 2 boxes elevated 1. We have a 1 there. So this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1. So 2 numbers left for numbers 2 and the 3. That means that this box cannot be a 3 anymore. We have a double 3 there. So the 3 could be here, could be there. So 1 is left in this area for number 4. 2 and a 4, 2 and a 3. We have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. 3 goes there. 2 and a 4, we have a 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 2 and a 3, we have a 3 now, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 and a 2. Need to wait. We have a 1 here. Overlooked. No 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 2 goes there. Okay. That means that this box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Then that means we have a double 1 there. That means that this box can be a 1 anymore. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. The 1 supposed to be here, and the 2 goes there. These two boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Supposed to be here. So the 1 and the 3 are left. That means that this box, we have a double 3 here. This box cannot be a 3. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those two boxes. So the 3 is supposed to be here, and the 1 goes there. Alright, 3 and a 5, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 3 and a 5, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Finished in 18 minutes. Wow, this one is a tough one, but we solve it again. 4 stars, no, 3 stars, no, let me give it 2 stars. And I like this one. Yes, well complicated, but we solve it again. And if you like this, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it all solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you tomorrow. Yes, have a great and fantastic Friday. It's weekend.